So hey guys, I'm just gonna do a quick little review of the Scuf Vantage accessories kit versus the ExtremeRate. Now the reason I have the ExtremeRate is because I was not able to find this for a couple of days, had to really hunt. My thumbsticks on my controller had gone bad and I needed to replace it. These are the replacement one. But I just wanted to share my input with you guys if any one of you are actually interested in changing out your thumbstick. So yeah, let me show you what it looks like if you've never bought it before. This is the accessories kit open, and this is the ExtremeRate. Now, as you can see on my controller, I already put the new thumbsticks on with a new analog, and this is gonna be personal preference, but yeah, for me, what it really came down to was the feel, especially during gameplay. These are pretty cool. The best thing about them is once you put these in, you won't have to pull the controller to edit it. You just, it goes on pretty much like this. Really good snug fit. And then you pop it off, change it off to another one. Maybe better for you if you have taller fingers, what have you. It's really nice. The issue with it for me literally boiled down to feel. Like when I would go try hard, as they say, my hands would get slippery and it feels like it was a slipping off. So literally, it feels like hardened plastic. Like it has some little grips, if you can see, but during gameplay, it doesn't help. Like I feel like my fingers slip right off. Now, if you are going for more of an aesthetic and quick exchange depending on your gameplay, I would recommend the ExtremeRate. But if you are one of those who need full control while you're playing, need no slip or anything, I would definitely recommend the Scuf Vantage accessories kit if you can get it, because I know it's not on the Scuf website anymore. As I said, I had to hunt for it. Right now Gamestop has it for $13 if you can find it. These thumbsticks just feel amazing. I mean, no matter how much your hands are sweating, it's not gonna rub off at all. These are the rings. These parts basically are only useful if you actually have a Scuf Vantage, which, as you know, I don't. I really only needed it for the thumbsticks and the triggers. I did put in Scuf triggers because I like how you can adjust how sensitive it is. But the thumbstick really by height, as you can see, different heights, taller hands, shorter hands, and then you have the concaves and the convexes. You also have extended triggers. If you don't like the regular trigger, you also have, let me show you what it looks like. So these are what the extended trigger looks like. Personally, I don't like them. I feel like my hand is way too far down. But as I said, some people like them. Not for me. But yeah, I mentioned it's just a little quick review. If you're ever on the hunt for thumbsticks, I strongly recommend these. Just to feel the tactile during gameplay is amazing, and it doesn't get stuck on your regular controller. As you know, this is a regular controller. I would do the teardown, but it's just the 4 screws. Once you do it, take out the battery, the cord that charges the battery, and there's a 5th screw. If you have rumble sticks, then you'd have to get those out of the way. I mean the rumble pack for the vibration. I don't have that in this controller. I like the controller light and quick response, and I don't like the feeling of vibration in my gameplay. So yeah, strongly recommend these for looks or quick exchange if you feel like you're going to be changing it out a lot. I know I'm not. I have it set the way I like it, a little bit taller on the aim and a little bit shorter, especially like driving games. It feels so much better for me, and Call of Duty. But if you like the video, subscribe. There's gonna be more reviews of other products and stuff. As you know, we're all waiting on the new consoles to come out. I'm personally waiting on the PS5, and these will be compatible with it. To change out the thumbsticks, I don't think the trigger will be, but we'll see how that goes in time. And remember, I appreciate you.